there are a lot of people who are like in an open relationship where both the husband and wife know that you guys can step out of the boundaries and have a relationship of your own. Have you all come across such instances as well?
No, I haven't. I haven't, and मेरे समझ के बाहर है. There's no judgment.
Yeah.
But when I think that, oh my God, I can't. The thought of it makes me shudder.
Yeah.
Like I can't imagine Siddharth or me being in a situation like that. Touch wood, touch wood,
Yeah,
touch wood.
yeah.
I'm like, no.
It's beyond understanding.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't understand this.
Chalo, you will not be open, but tell me, if somebody is in a marriage for good 10, how many years are you all married in the film?
12 years.
12 years. I'm saying say 12 to 14 years, you're in a marriage and then somehow there is some sort of boredom. If not physically, mentally you're probably attracted towards someone else. Is that natural to happen?
You may get attracted to somebody because of the knowledge,
Hmm.
because of what they do,
Shared interests.
shared
yeah.
interest,
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah.
So, but then these kind of things will always have a boundary.
कभी हो जाता है तो फिर is it okay to then forgive and move on? I'm now talking to our audiences who may be in this situation. And it's not
Yeah,
a
maybe,
completely
yeah,
unknown
It is
situation,
not
Yeah.
right?
This is very common,
This
maybe
is common,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
But for me to forgive something like that would be, I'm like, if you're, agar, sorry, I can't say, I was about to say GMD. Sorry. नहीं जिगरा है,
हाँ.
तो आप करो. मुझे
अच्छा.
उतनी हिम्मत नहीं है.
अच्छा चलो बताओ. So what is the secret of a strong, healthy, happy marriage? Both of you are happily married, touch wood.
Touch wood.
You can't avoid differences.
No.
No,
वो तो
difference-
होंगे और ऐसा नहीं है कि हर सुबह उठकर it's a romantic morning.
Not at all.
Because if
You
my
know?
wife or
Yeah.
my partner is absolutely like me,
Hmm.
we can't stand each other.
Yeah.
Healthy relationship is when you respect each other and when you are being friends with each other. Because प्यार में वो प्रेशर जब फील होने लगता है ना, then there is something missing.
Hmm.
वो प्रेशर तभी फील होता है when you feel trapped कि अरे बांध के रखा हुआ है, अरे I can't do this or you can't do this. So I guess the moment you feel freedom, that is love.
And I feel communicating with each other, yeah.
Yeah.
About however you feel, however tough it is, na.
Yeah.
Once you've communicated, it only makes you stronger. There are things that will bother you about that person, but to share that with the person, and that is so tough. But it's so important to do.
Do you guys say sorry to your partner?
Yeah.
Frequent.
Yeah.
Okay. Who says sorry first? You or you? What about you?
That's what we said.
Yeah, without knowing the issue, I say sorry.
See,
And
that's
then I
not
start the
correct.
conversation.
That's not correct. Why?
And then I start the conversation. It becomes easy.
No, I don't agree with that.
No, it
but
becomes
both
easy.
of us say sorry to each other when required, depending on who's.
When is the longest you've not spoken? चल मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. Like just to show you're upset. So how long can you go without talking to each other?
See, abhi it's gone up to 24 hours. I hope इससे ज़्यादा ना हो. But less than, not yet 24 hours.
In my
I
case,
have to just go and, even if I shake up and say, you know what, just say something or hear me out. But I have to get it out of my system. I can't
Yeah.
not talk. And if he goes to sleep, then to
પછી done.
नींद से
done.
उठाकर.
Yeah.
Suno,
Like this.
Suno,
Keep
suno.
poking your
Yeah.
nails.
In our case, it was reverse. Earlier,
हाँ.
any discussion, any
Huh.
fight, it would go on for 2 days, 3 days,
Hmm.
cold. Now we laugh after 3-4 hours.
Yeah,
Laugh
3,
at each
4
other and like,
हाँ.
तुम जाओ यार, तुम ऐसे ही हो.
मेरा नहीं, रोना धोना वो सब होता है, फिर जाके कहीं शांति मिलती है. But for me to get it out now is very important. I can't not react, and I can't have him not react. But have you heard people say that you shouldn't go to bed after a fight? You should always
Yeah.
resolve. Do you do that?
हाँ, we try.
Listen,
Yeah.
जब भी बहुत गुस्सा आया होता है ना, ये सब नहीं
Yeah,
याद रहता है.
मुझे वही मैं भी कह रही हूँ, मैं I don't follow
But when you
that.
have a kid in the house,
Yeah.
because that's what we teach to our daughter.
Yeah.
अब उसे एक बार ये बता दिया, so she keeps it in mind. फिर जब हमारा भी अगर झगड़ा हुआ, तो she'll come and tell us.
Hmm.
ऐसे नहीं सुने, ऐसे. अब
अच्छा?
Oh.